Welcome to Health Tips. Think unlimited. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome back to Health Tips, your go-to place for natural remedies and healthy living. Today, we're discussing a tropical summer favorite, green mango, and its surprising health benefits. Melon. Let's dive in. Green mango, also known as raw or unripe mango, is the early stage of the ripe mango we all love. It has a sour, tangy flavor and is used in many traditional recipes, especially during the hot summer months. But it's not just a treat for your taste buds, it's a gift for your health. Boosts immunity. Green mango is rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen your immune system and fight off infections. Aids digestion. It promotes the production of digestive enzymes and helps prevent issues like constipation, gas, and acidity. Prevents heat stroke. In hot weather, green mango helps cool the body and prevent dehydration. A drink called Aam Panna is especially good for this. Cleanses the liver. Green mango increases bile secretion and helps your liver flush out toxins naturally. Controls blood disorders. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, it improves blood circulation and helps with conditions like anemia, nosebleeds, and bleeding gums. Supports weight loss. Low in calories and high in fiber, green mango keeps you full longer and helps manage weight effectively. How to eat green mango. You can enjoy green mango in many ways. Slice it and add a pinch of salt and chili. Use it in salads or chutneys, or drink it as juice. But don't overeat it, it's acidic and can irritate your throat or stomach if consumed in excess. Aam Panna recipe. Here's a quick and healthy drink recipe with green mango, Aam Panna. Boil 2 green mangoes until soft. Remove the skin and scoop out the pulp. Blend with mint leaves, roasted cumin powder, black salt, jaggery, and chilled water. Powder, black salt, jaggery, and chilled water. Serve cold for a perfect summer refreshment. If you enjoyed learning about green mango benefits, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To Health Tips.
Thanks for watching Health Tips. Please like, share, and subscribe.